For now, we cross over to our reporter on the ground, Bernardo Juang, who now brings us the latest concerning our conversation for today that has to do with World Children's Day, a lot about their rights and, of course, empowering them to be the best they can be in the future. Bernard?
Well, thank you very much, Gladys. We are here in Rongo town. Remember, it's just remaining some few days for the world to celebrate World Children's Day. And remember, we'll be talking about, remember what's going on here today in Rongo is a free medical camp. Over 40 medics from different parts of the country, all over from different parts of the countries, that's the US, UK, they are here to give free medication to both children and even the adult. Remember, what we'll be talking to here about here is the health, children health, and also whether we'll try to know whether parents have forgotten their duties in protecting their children. Remember, we'll also try to talk to the medics to know the health complications that are really affecting children. Joining me is one of the medics here. Join me here. Okay, you'll start with your name and tell us, you just look at the camera there, you'll start with your name and tell us who you are here today, tell us what you're doing here.
Okay, my name is Karen Rosado. We are here from a medical mission from Miami, United States, to bring medical services for children that in this community. We brought medications. They're all free for everybody. To prevent, I mean, I've seen cases already of malaria. That's something that I've never ever seen before. Polio, and those diseases are preventable with education. So to me, that's very important, the education that people receive.
Okay, so you started this process yesterday. Could you just please identify one of the diseases that you've come to realize is common here, and maybe you've been moving across the continent. You seeing what do you think? What are these diseases that are common, that are really affecting children?
Well, malaria definitely is common here, and that's something that we don't see in United States, and it's, I mean, very severe because it can cause the death. So as it can be prevented with education and using the mosquito repellent, and that's something that we can educate people here to prevent it. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, come 20th November, the world will be celebrating World Children's Day. And remember, do you think parents are forgetting their duties? Because each and everywhere, all over the world, you see children on the streets. Not that they do have parents, they have. Do you think parents are forgetting their duties and their roles? That has led to this.
I mean, parents do the best that they can under their situation. So if they don't have the education, and the important thing is the education and the resources that they have. Other things that are very important are vaccines. For example, I saw a patient yesterday with polio, and that's something that we don't see in United States, and that's preventable with vaccines.
Well, thank you very much. Thank you. Good sir. Okay, Gladys, I'll talk to another person here. Join me here, Nick. We'll try to know, Nick, we are being told that each and every time, come 20th, we'll be celebrating World Children's Day. Do you think the children issues have been taken with a lot of seriousness?
I think our government is doing good by emphasizing much on universal health care. And then our government is really working hard, because I know it's the children below 5 years, if they visit any government facility for treatment, they will get that one free. We have to recommend government and appreciate it for doing that. Yeah.
Do you think children issues have been forgotten?
No, the children issues have not been forgotten much, but the government need to put a lot of emphasis. Government need to empower counties so that they emphasize much on the children health care issues. Yes.
Well, thank you very much. I speak to the last person here. Each and every time we see cases whereby children are being defiled, young children being defiled. What do you think? What's the problem? Do you think parents have forgotten their duty in protecting their children?
Kwa maoni yangu mimi mwenyewe naona kwamba wazazi ndio wameacha majukumu yao. na hasa sisi kama walimu pamoja na wachungaji tumeachiwa majukumu mengi sana. Kwa hivyo wazazi wanastahili kujitokeza kuhakikisha kwamba watoto wako salama, wamelindwa dhidi ya wale ambao wanajisi na wale ambao wanawafanyia vitendo vya kiunyama.
Do you think children issues have been taken with a lot of seriousness?
Kwa hakika serikali imejaribu kabisa, lakini kuna mengi ambayo yanastahili kufanywa ili kuhakikisha kwamba watoto wako salama, lakini serikali inaendelea kuhakikisha kwamba masuala ya watoto yametiliwa maanani kikamilifu.
Umesema kwamba wewe ni mwalimu. Pale shuleni unapata kwamba watoto huugua. Ni ugonjwa gani pengine unaona kwamba inasumbua watoto sana sana?
Hasa watoto wengi sana huugua ugonjwa wa malaria, na hata magonjwa ya kisukari yanapatikana, na kama pressure bado yanapatikana kwa watoto wetu.
Nini unadhani inachangia haya yote?
Haya yote, jambo la kwanza ni hali ya mazingira ya ulelezi na vile vile mambo ya lishe bora. Kuna wazazi ambao hawapi watoto wao lishe bora, vyakula ambavyo vinastahili kujenga mwili. Kwa hivyo mimi kama mwalimu nataka kusema kwamba swala la watoto linastahili kupewa kipaumbele na iweze kupigwa msasa na kila mzazi na kila mzalendo katika nchi ya Kenya.
Well, thank you very much. Gladys, I was speaking there to medics, locals, and even you've just had there a teacher saying that parents have forgotten their duties. Teachers have been left with a lot of responsibility taking care of the children, and you've also them saying that we have some of the diseases that are really affecting children, that is malaria and diabetes, and they are saying that parents should come up and understand their roles, and also the government should come up with initiative in ensuring that children everywhere all over the country are protected. Back to you.